Before starting the land preparation, check field history, soil quality, and water availability. Clear the field of weeds and crop debris. Remove the stones and rocks before ploughing. If possible, check the pH and do a soil test for.
Out at number 1, we have the tractor. Geared toward a variety of agricultural activities, this is the piece of equipment without which no farm can be complete. Be it ploughing, preparing fields, carrying of farm inputs as well as plants, tractors vary in their size and power capacity mainly in relation to the task at hand. Modern tractors fit GPS systems and even auto-nav systems. As for the third item on our list, we have the seed drill. A seed drill is an improvement over the traditional methods where the seeds are thrown aimlessly. The seed drill positions the seeds at proper depth and distance which will ensure the same growth rate within this portion of the field. This machine makes sure that seeds are not wasted and a good proportion is germinated, which in turn enhances the harvests from the land covered. It also proves itself to be useful in all types of soils, thus making it an important implement for every farm. Coming in at number 4 is the sprayer. They are used for various purposes, from spraying the crops with pesticides and herbicides to using them to spray fertilizers. Nowadays, spraying equipment is being supplied with GPS guidance and section control to lessen the chemical impact to prevent excessive coverage, thereby making farming more environmentally friendly. Halfway through, we have the baler. Hay, straw or silage, the baler densifies the loose bulk material into easy to handle, transport and store quantities of blocks. There are several types of balers like round and square balers for all sorts of works, even for the most demanding ones that require moisture detection for the quality of the material used. Taking the 6th spot is the rotary tiller. This equipment comes in handy for seedbed preparation because it loosens the soil, thereby reducing it to finer particles and incorporating organic material. It is good for gardening, small-scale farming and even bigger fields. It also has removable attachments that make it easier to use in different soil depth for the different crops varieties. This longer version explains iMachine in great detail and provides all necessary information to the viewers.
Step 3. Disruption. The leaves go into a rotating drum. As they tumble, they bruise and tear. This breaks down the cell structures, enabling oxygen to penetrate deep inside, greatly accelerating fermentation. This also releases the leaf juices, which help draw out the taste of the tea. It determines the leaves have sufficiently oxidized. They stop the oxidation process by tumbling the leaves in a gas as it fixes the oxidation at the desired level, which can be anywhere from 8 to 85%, depending on the variety of oolong in production. The next step forms the tea leaves into tiny pellets. First, workers shake the leaves on a sieve to filter out the dust-like particles. Then they bag the leaves in a cotton cloth and place them, first in a kneading machine, then afterward in a rolling press. Kneading and rolling the bag, twist the leaves inside into tiny pellets. Forming these pellet shapes intensifies the flavor of the tea, and when the tea is steeped in hot water, releases that flavor slowly. They repeat the sieving, kneading, and rolling cycle up to 35 times, until the tea master is satisfied with the result. Then, and only then, does the final step begin, firing. They transfer the tea to an oven, in which it undergoes 3 drying cycles of 20 minutes each, at a temperature of approximately 210 degrees Fahrenheit. This dries the damp tea, reducing the moisture content to the target level of less than 5%. The firing also brings out the fragrance.